Good morning! Good morning everyone! Ang aking mga alaga, ayan, every morning, dyan po sila nagpupupo and nagwiwiwi. And ito na rin po yung kanilang playground. Almost every day, ganito po ang aming morning routine. Sa labas talaga sila nagagawa ng kanilang morning ritual. Kestrel, come over here. Kestrel. Kestrel, come here. Kestrel, come. Baby, come on. So this is Kestrel. Lapitan na sila. What are you doing? Ha? Bakit kayo nagro-roll over dyan? Ang iba naman nagpapaaraw. Thank you for watching and please follow me for more of my uploads. Thank you. Bye.